Hi everybody, this is Richard from RKA, and we've got an exciting new product to offer you. We got into the drone business because I wanted to have drones in my videos, so now we're offering them. I'm holding the controller right here right now with the phone inside it, and it's not turned on right now, so you're just seeing the overlay right there. But we also offer extra batteries, extra propellers, and we actually offer extra motors and arms, so of course you'd never crash. But anyway, this is what it looks like. It's got all of the features of a $700-800 drone for $325. This is the open position. That's what it looks like when it's folded up. And we're going to take this thing off for the first time, and my drone experience is like almost zero. So hang on for a little short ride. Pardon me.